Hey my besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new video. So loves, in today's video I'm taking you all in cooking series. Okay, random food I cooked for my family, my interracial family. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Can hit the subscribe button to officially join the family. Like the video, share it, and leave your commentaries as well. So right now I am making mashed potato and burger sized of minced meat. Okay, it's just an easy meal. You can just prep for your family and you are done. Okay, it's not really hard. Okay, this you can also eat it as burger. So this was a few days later I decided to make yam and egg sauce. I think it came out in a vlog. I was telling you all that hubby enjoyed it. That was his first time eating this yam and egg sauce, and he asked for a second plate. I was so amazed, like, yo, this one is liking this, so maybe I will be adding this to our timetable. Yeah guys, it's good to have a timetable in your home. So these are the ingredients I am going to be using. I'm just getting my fresh pepper. I did not add much pepper because I was cooking for myself and baby girl, and hubby decided to join us to eat the food because I know baby girl don't eat much pepper like that, and me too, I don't eat pepper like that. So I just added a little pepper. So I'm just gonna be making this meal. This meal tasted so amazing, guys, like, yo, so amazing. I'm just checking if the camera is actually recording. So love, this yam is one of the yams that hubby got in our previous vlog, where I told you all that he traveled and he got some food stuff for us. Yeah, this was one of the yam. That's why I'm telling you all that it's a random cooking series of food we made and the ones I did not upload in the channel. So I'm just going to be taking you guys in some food we cooked. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it, and leave your commentaries as well. So love, let's keep on cooking because you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, if you're a foodie like me, you're gonna enjoy the foods I made.
Are your arms wide enough to hold my oceans inside them? Is your heart warm enough? 'Cause it's cold and I need your love. There's no one who holds me like you, no one who can melt this pain. There's no one who sees me like you, or makes me smile this way. You don't know how much you mean to me. You don't know just how you set me free.
So guys, right here I am cleaning the table because madam wants to sit down. She has been telling me mama wants to sit down, so that's why I'm cleaning the table so that the yam don't scratch her. You know how yam is to scratch. If you scratch you, like you not feel yourself. So after this I will wash the yam and put it on fire. I'm just putting out the eggs I need so I can put it inside the fridge. You know, now egg is 150 per one. So here I am washing the yam and I'm gonna put it in the pot and cook it. So loves, as I'm cooking, the yam is on fire. I will start cutting my veggies like my tomatoes, onions, pepper, you know, all the stuff. But for right now, I want to give baby girl some tomato for her to be busy with it so that I can cut the remaining one in piece. If not, we'll start to argue for the ones I want to use to cook food, because I always say she loves anything fresh tomato, fresh onions, carrot, green pepper, anything fresh. So she like a nine papa introduce them. I know say for womb when she didn't say belly, I not chop all these things like that. In fact, when I was pregnant for her, the funny thing is that my first trimester, what I could eat was only custard. Without milk, without sugar, only custard. That was what could stay in my stomach because I was throwing up literally almost every 5 seconds. Like nothing could stay in my stomach. If I drink water, I'll throw up. If I eat food, I'll be craving for food. But anytime I eat those food, I throw up. But only thing that could stay inside my stomach was only custard. Like I was so skinny that they even said had to admit me in the hospital. I was admitted, I think, like 3 times in the hospital to take drip and for me to get refreshed because I was literally throwing up every time. And they also gave me like this medicine to stop vomiting. Like they gave me the medicine to stop vomiting for 5 days. I could eat. Then after that 5 days, when the medicine is finished, I'll start throwing up again. Like motherhood will be here. I was so lost. I'm just gonna be cutting my veggies and onions, then I'll start the cooking process.
No one who sees me like you do makes me smile and sweat. You don't know how much you mean to me. You don't know just how you set me free. No, you don't know how you make me sing. You don't know how much you mean to me. Maybe it's the green in your eyes. Maybe it's your cheeks when you smile. Maybe it's the way you whisper in the middle of the night. You always deserve this. I don't know why. You don't know how. You don't know.
So loves right here, I am adding our spices like salt, seasonings like garlic and the rest to use to cook the. But for my egg, I add garlic, black pepper, and salt for my egg. Okay, the remaining spices I'll put it in the tomato sauce. Okay, and you know now, NEPA, you can content creators one bad thing that Nigeria content creators is to have is light. When you are trying to create content, NEPA will just carry their bad belly and come collect the light. That is how it is. Unless you just have to have generator, solar, or your ring light have battery. Those are the only things that can save Nigeria content creators. If not all those ones, nothing again. We go just wait for NEPA or use natural light. If natural light can't finish, now you go wait for NEPA last. So right here, I've added my oil and my onions. Okay, I'm going to add the fresh tomatoes I chopped. I'm just going to add it inside and then I will stir this for a while till I see that tomato water has actually dried a bit before I move to the next step, which is adding the rest of our ingredients. Okay. So loves, the tomato has actually dry, so I'm gonna add my egg and I added carrot inside. Okay, just to have a little bit of veggies. If I had green pepper, red pepper, I'll put it inside, but I was just using what I have in the house. So I'm just going to cover it and allow it to cook. I'll lower the heat so that the egg will cook with the tomato. And after that, I fried plantain on a separate with oil because I noticed that my egg sauce, the oil was not much, so I just had to fry small plantain with small oil. Then I pour everything to that, and this is what we have. Like, this combo tasted so amazing. For my Igbo husband, when in the children food to eat this food, it was so nice. So this is what it looks like. Okay, let me know if you're gonna be trying this. This is another day in life. Okay, so here hobby was making his Slovakia dish. Okay, this dish is really really nice. According to him, he said if I tasted the original version of this dish when in his country, like I will eat more and more and more. So then this recipe is just like you're making pizza dough. Okay, the difference only is that you're going to add yogurt. No, pizza, when you're making pizza dough, you don't add yogurt to it. Yeah, so this one you're going to add yogurt to it, and you're going to make it a little bit thinner, too thin, not too puffy, but a little bit that you can be able to fry it. All right, so when you fry it, you get that kind of crispiness, and you add, sometimes you can add cheese, you can add any toppings like you want. Okay, so I remember when I was pregnant for baby, I made this. I added cheese, I added ketchup, onions. It tasted so nice, it tasted so amazing. So here he said, okay, he's not going to add cheese in this one, he's just going to add only ketchup, garlic and onions. He's going to make it simple because that was the ingredient we had. So this is what it looks like. So love, are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section. And on that day again, we ordered for pizza big girl because she loved that pizza hot. Okay, and I said order margarita and then chicken pizza, and we enjoy it. Just a little pizza for us to have in the house. Like I told you guys, it's just random food we had in, what I call it, in a week or in few days in our life. Yeah, so I just said to share it to you all that sometimes it's not, sometimes I don't eat healthy, sometimes I eat a lot of junk. Sometimes I eat healthy. It's just how my life is, just buzz goes now. Anyway, so this is what the pizza looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video with us. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Kindly hit on the subscribe button, share the video, like it, and leave your commentaries as well. So this is what we eat as a family, an interracial family living in Nigeria, Abuja. So this and that day, I'm going to be making fish finger and chips for hubby, because me, I'm not really a fan of fish finger. Hubby and baby girl ate this one. This was in the night. Why I've been craving this, and I decided to make it and drink it. Let me satisfy my craving. So baby girl is here helping me to blend it. Okay, I just added beetroot and ginger and cucumber and carrot. So that was all I added to this beetroot, and it was so refresh and so tasty. It was not sweet, it was not bitter, it's just in the middle, but it's in the middle, if you get what I mean. Yeah, so right here I'm just gonna strain it, and I'll get out the juice, and I give big girl and I give myself a hobby as well. And this is the end of the video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video with us. This is just few random foods we had. We like call it in a week, or we like call it in, yeah, in a few days. Yeah, so this is just few random foods we have. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment as well, and I'll see you all in our next video. Thank you so much for the massive love and the support. I really appreciate it. It's nice.